welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. My last one was good, but it wasn't amazing, and so I'm hoping to get some really fun stuff in this box, and it's kind of humongous, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what I got. Little housekeeping. First, I want to know what everybody's doing for self-care. How are you taking care of yourself? Are you exercising? Are you taking long baths? Are you drinking lots of wine? No judgment. What are you doing to take care of yourself? I'm riding the bike. I'm trying not to eat sweets. What else am I doing? Making videos? No, I'm doing DIY bathroom. Just a little remodel on my bathroom that I'm trying to do myself. It's a big step. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so I want to hear what you're doing to take care of yourself. Okay, so the next thing is I'm starting up my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook pages based on Shawna Jean. My handles are going to be Shawna Jean PNW, Pacific Northwest, on all of them, Shawna Jean. And so I want to know what you guys want to see on them. Pictures of clothes, other stuff. What do you want to hear? What do you want to see? I've been doing Facebook, but not in this kind of arena. So what do you guys want to see? Just me chatting away, live streams, other stuff? I don't know. I'm just gonna give it a go. Social media, here we come. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. What do we have here? Instantly buy items from the curated shop. Okay. Stitch Fix now just sells clothes online. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, looks like maybe a jacket. Maybe shoes. And then, oops, my bundle. Okay. Ooh, looks like some leggings. I always could use leggings. These are more athletic leggings than just like casual leggings. They're by Gaiam. Ooh, they're soft. Okay, those are gonna be amazing. I'm gonna try those on. Okay, this is like a blue and white striped kind of tie-dye. Oh, it's a hoodie. It's like amazingly stretchy. By Market and Spruce. Okay. We'll try that on. And then, what is this? Oh, I like. Okay, I think I'm now remembering, now that I'm looking at this box, that maybe I asked for an athleisure box. It seems like I might have. Okay, so it's a long sleeve, like workout shirt. But it's got some neat little holes in it, like little polka dotty holes. Oh, that is fun. Is that all over? Oh, it looks like maybe it's like on the top and maybe on the sleeves. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying that on. What else did I get? Oh, okay, look at this. Little tennis shoes. I'm gonna be having an outfit on. It's got little, oh wait, can you see? A little speckled bits. They're Reeboks. Are they Reeboks? Oh yeah, they are. Those are cute. Okay. Try those on. And then this is not athleisure. Okay, what do I have here? Feels like a wool jacket. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look how fun that is. With like a little furry hood. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, let's try it on. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I look like a thief, like a robber with my outfit on. Okay, so I really like this shirt. You can see my bra through it. Try and avert your eyes, but it'll be fine with a sports bra. But I kind of like how breathable it is. It doesn't go all the way down. It's just like a top and the shoulders, and then also a little bit on the arms. And so I think it's a fun detail. Really soft, thumb holes. I work out a lot. I could wear this a lot and it's cold here, so I definitely could use this. All right, the leggings are just black leggings. They have pockets. They fit great. Once I got them on, it was a bit of a wrestle, but they're great. They're just full length leggings. And then the Reeboks are cute too. I'll show those to you in just a minute. I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, how adorable is this? It's really cute, right? Look at this fun jacket. I don't have a wool coat like this right now. Do I need one? Probably not. Look how cute it is. Oh, I love the little buckle detail. I love the little fur hood. Actual pockets. It's pretty stinking cute. Yeah, it's pretty cute. It will definitely depend on the price. Okay, and then the last piece is this knit hoodie. And I think it's really cute. It'd be good for working out in. I got so many tags happening. Okay. It's cute. The length is good. The fabric is soft. I read my stylist note and she said, I got your comfy casual fix and only amazing pieces. Because I think last time I wasn't as wowed by my box and I was like, I only want amazing things. And so the jacket, I think this was the mix of like, the jacket's pretty awesome and then a fun casual fix. So I think she's done great. Cute, right? I'm gonna put the pants still on. All right, well, a lot of this is gonna come down to price because it matters. All right, I'll be right back. So somebody in my last video commented, if you want better stuff, go in your profile and up your prices. And I was like, wow, I feel real dumb. Although she was really nice about it. But it's true. I say, oh, this price is too high, this price is too high, but it's really is the value is not there for the price. And so we're gonna do a test. I went into my profile, I upped all my prices, so now we'll see if I get better stuff for the price. If the price goes up and the quality doesn't, then it's, you know, we'll have to revisit it. But let's see how it goes. If I up my prices, do I get better quality stuff that I want to spend my money on? We'll see. All right, so we'll test that out. All right, so let's look at the prices. So the leggings by, I think I pronounce it right, Gaiam. I'm never sure. $54. That's, I think, reasonable price for good leggings. Definitely cheaper than Athleta or Lulu or anything like that. The long sleeve shirt is $68 and I really like that. That seems a little bit high, but I like it. And it's by Glyder. I'm kind of digging on this shirt. It's fun and different and super soft. The jacket is by Coffeeshop and it's $98, which is about what I would expect for a jacket like that. And it's really cute. I just have to decide if I can justify it right now. Like, do I need a jacket that I'm not gonna wear anywhere and it's real cute? I might need it. I just might need it. The Reebok shoes are $90. Let me give you another look at those. I do need some fun little shoes. And I'm wearing the heck out of tennis shoes right now. Who's with me? So those are a maybe. They're real cute. And I'm gonna show them to my daughter too. We wear the same size shoe right now. And so if she likes them too, then maybe it makes sense to get them. Okay, then the navy striped hoodie. This is by Market and Spruce. It's $58. And I think that's pretty reasonable. What do you think? Worth it? Will I grab it? I definitely grabbed the long sleeve shirt, I think, more for working out. I don't think I'd work out in this. Okay, so the total box was $368. If I got everything, which I'm probably not, it would subtract 25%, which is $92. And then my styling fee brings it down to $256 for the whole box. I don't think that's terrible. I'm not gonna get everything, but now I have to do Stitch Fix math and decide what I'm gonna get. Let me know what you think I should get. Should I get the jacket, the shirt? The tennis shoes? Ugh, this is a tough one because I think they did really good. I think Sam did a really good job on this one. All right, if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Shawna Jean PNW. All right, see you next time.